Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at 2026 Cargoking 8 feet wide by 16 feet long Lancer trailer sitting on tandem 3,500 pound axles with brakes on both axles. So we walk around this trailer, we'll notice it's got the diamond plate on the front, finished in beautiful white. On this side it's got a man door on it with the bar lock here for more security, heavy duty hinges. So we walk around back, I have the door open. It's a ramp door, of course. This one has 6 inches of extra height, so room for your side-by-sides or whatever. It's tall inside. It's also got, as we walk inside, there's the door. It's got a dome light, of course, LED, of course, all the lights are LED. 4 heavy duty D-rings, those are rated at 5,000 pounds each. Plus on the ramp door is a medium duty ramp, heavy duty door. As we walk around the side here, move this out of the way, you can see the big LED lights on the back. I'm going to close the door so you can see the back with the door closed. Nice and easy because it's got the assist on it. And there's the back with the ramp door closed. If you have questions about this trailer or any other trailer, reach out to us at 503-666-7300 or dayspringtrailers.com, and have a wonderful day, and thanks for looking.